Now we looked for a very long time for some outside seating arrangements that were going to be comfortable, weather resistant, easy to maintain, and actually last a long time. So we decided to purchase these Polywood Adirondack chairs that are perfect on our porch. We purchased the matching table. These are in slate gray. These were really easy to assemble. My husband said that he would be happy to assemble these again, which is kind of rare because he doesn't like assembling things. But these fit him. I think they seat up to about 200 pounds per person. They're super comfortable. And if you wanted, you could also get a footrest that you could purchase with it, but we decided to skip that for now. But I've cleaned these with just a little bit of vinegar spray and a towel, and it comes like really clean really quickly. They're holding up really well in the sun and they're not fading at all. So I highly recommend these Polywood chairs for the backyard if you're looking for a really great seating arrangement.